What's up, trader? Trading BG is back at it today with the next trade recap. And in the background, you already can see it. The market gave us a really nice short move. So it started around 2 a.m. where the market tried to come up and break through UK high and Asia high, but it was rejected right at the 20-day DMA, this orange line. So he can't break through it. So when the US session began, I think the market drops everyone right there because it chops in the first place. And then there was a big down move all the way to UK low. So he grabbed the liquidity from this low. Then he came back with a big retracement, so a big up move. And when I saw that this could be the possible bottom, so I anticipated that in this case, because he gets rejected another time perfectly on this three purple lines. You can see it right there, it's perfectly. So I thought that at least for a shorter time period, this could be the bottom right there. And after I saw this was around on the QQQ, like the ETF of the Nasdaq, this was around there, that he breaks above the VWAP, this blue line. I waited until he retraces back a bit. This was right there. And then I took the entry. You can see it right here. It looked like that it worked out, that it could work out, but the VWAP was indeed in this case too strong, and then the market was breaking down and hit my stop loss right there. So at the hourly close at 3 p.m. there was this 1 minute candle, and I thought at this time that this could be a trap because it took out another time the liquidity under these lows. So at this point there are a lot buyers coming into the market and think it's going up now. So if we hop into the QQQ template again, we saw this breakdown as on another chart, and we saw the break through the VWAP and this retest right there. And this was another confirmation for me that we are under VWAP and not managed to get through it to the upside. Another big confirmation for me clearly was that if we draw an Fibonacci extension from this high to this low to this high again, we see this extension. It's the same as I charted here. And we see that it's going perfectly nearly under this low. And this is in the 1 hour chart, it's a really relevant low, which is an obvious target for the market because there's a lot liquidity down there. And so this was a nice TP for this trade. So in the end, after all these confirmations I had, I decided to go short right there with the stop loss above this high, and the take profit is down there after this important low which I showed just in the 1 hour time frame. And this was an absolutely brilliant trade because it nearly took around like a half an hour or something like that and was a really big move, like 260 points. Beautiful. So once again in the background you can see the trades as I took them in NinjaTrader and in MetaTrader, and I have to say that that I was cutting the trade way earlier, like around an 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio on the NinjaTrader account because it's an Apex account, and there is the trailing rule, so the trailing drawdown, and this is really dangerous because I thought there could be in this area, also because of this purple line, the monthly VWAP. So I thought there could be a retracement, and in this situation it was too dangerous for me to hold the trade on the future account, so I cutted it around this area, as you can see in the background right there. But on the MetaTrader account, I managed to hold this trade all the way down under this low, which made me 3R or 3X, how you want to call it. So if we take this win and this loss, I made 2R or 2X today, which also passes me phase 1 on a 200k funded next account, which you can also see right now. So the trade was a nice way to end the week. I've also created a free Discord server now where I post some trade ideas and share my approach and other little trading secrets. Feel free to join the server, it's linked below. And as always, if the video helped you and I was able to provide some good value for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Feel free to post your questions or anything else in the comments. With that, I wish you a nice weekend, thanks and see you then.